What if everything you've sacrificed for retirement is actually stealing your life? Stick around, I'll show you why dying rich might be the biggest failure. Mary stands as the ultimate model citizen, shaped by the timeless guidance we all absorbed growing up. Stash cash for tough times ahead, embrace compound interest as the eighth wonder globally, and skip those pricey lattes. Discipline defined Mary completely. She labored as an engineer across 45 dedicated years, opted for pre-owned vehicles, resided in a simple dwelling, and consistently maxed her 401k contributions annually. While peers jetted off to Europe during their 20s, Mary remained homebound, channeling funds into investments instead. When relatives pushed for kitchen renovations in their 40s, she firmly declared, "Hold off, we must prioritize safety." Reaching 65, Mary retired triumphantly bearing a $2.5 million net worth, securing victory in the conventional game. Yet, catastrophe struck abruptly. Just 2 years post-retirement, a devastating stroke felled her, confining the subsequent 3 years to repeated hospital stays, where walking proved impossible, travel remained out of reach, and savoring the rewards of those 45 waited years stayed unattainable. She passed at 70. Estate executors examining her accounts discovered $2.8 million intact, bolstered by market gains during illness. Society hails Mary as incredible success, departing as a millionaire. But this narrative reveals pure tragedy, a woman expending tens of thousands hours amid stress, commutes, sacrifices, chasing wealth never truly utilized. Economically speaking, Mary lost utterly, squandering 45 years life energy amassing unused chips. Mary here introduces today's fiercely debated, deeply unsettling, yet mathematically robust personal finance philosophy: die with zero. Bill Perkins championed this mindset, urging net worth growth need not persist until death. Instead, target precisely zero bank balance at life's close. Leftover $100,000 signifies no cushion. It's unpaid labor, office hours stolen from family moments. Hoarding instincts scream terror, yet follow through for revelations on life energy mathematics, memory dividend science, and why richest graveyard occupant epitomizes resource mismanagement failure. Smash likes amid existential unease as we plunge forward. First, transform perception. Money isn't endpoint. We chase net worth app dopamine surges, treating it as a prize, but truly, it's merely tool, stored life energy battery. Exchange finite dying hours, your time, for currency. Trading 2,000 life hours earning $100,000, then dying unspent equates free labor slavery, yielding screen number erased by heartbeat cessation. Enter money utility curve, exposing traditional advice's flaws. Dollars hold equal value anytime biologically defies reality. Picture 3 recipients gifted identical $10,000 mandated Swiss Alps ski excursion. 25-year-old revels wildly, black diamond runs, hostel stays, fresh connections, 4 a.m. partying, extracting massive joy utility. 45-year-old enjoys slopes, though knees ache slightly, selects comfortable hotel rejecting hostels, frets work email backlog, securing solid yet diminished utility versus youth. 85-year-old faces skiing impossibility, altitude intolerance likelihood. $10,000 yields Lodge Coco misery, plummeting value with age advancement. Biology cruelly diminishes money to enjoyment conversion capacity over years. Life balances 3 variables: health, time, money. 20s boast health and time lacking funds. 50s offer money and health minus time. 80s provide money/time absent health. Die with Zero contends excessive 80s saving illogical given minimal consumption ability. You preserve for incapacitated future self unable participating. Hoarding stems twofold. Depletion anxiety looms largest psychologically. Avoid cat food at 90 requires million safety net. Longevity risk undeniably exists. 0 at 75 surviving to 95 spells catastrophe. Yet Die with Zero targets zero precisely at death, not retirement dawn. Hedge via annuities, handing insurers lump sums guaranteeing lifelong monthly payouts regardless 80 versus 110 demise, not inefficient $500,000 hoarding, immobilizing capital, better fueling youthful family trips, career sabbaticals. Offspring objection prevails commonly, preserve legacy inheritance. Noble, though data reveals misfires. Average inheritance arrives age 60. Departing 85 means late 50s or early 60s progeny. Mortgages cleared, grandkids independent, retirement neared. 60 windfalls merely bonuses, lacking trajectory alteration. Contrast 30-year-old receipt, transforming lives. House down payments, safe areas, business seeds, debt escapes. Die with zero extends to progeny. Deliver inheritance alive when impactful, warm-handed witnessing joy, versus cold posthumous transfer, robbing selfish delight observing transformations. Implementation demands escaping autopilot zombification via memory dividends. Experiences transcend transience, functioning assets yielding perpetual payouts. Profound backpacking Europe, instrument mastery, Disney kid trips generate dividends recalled endlessly. Dinner tales, photo gazes, Paris train mishap laughter. Compound interest parallels. 25-year-old trip collects 60 dividend years. 65 delay shrinks to 15, mathematically demolishing ROI. Ditch bucket lists languishing undrawn until infirmity blocks half. Instead, deploy time buckets, mapping life 5-year segments, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45. Assign goals optimally. Japan skiing fits 30 to 40 knee tolerance, absent 70 window. Library book conquest suits 70 to 80. Kid camping demands precise 35 to 45 preteen rejection phase. Time bucketing unveils terror. Time depletes faster than funds, demanding immediate spending, securing closing opportunity windows. Decumulation math expertise eludes accumulation masters. We save flawlessly, spend cluelessly. Net worth growth halts, shrinkage begins psychologically at late 40s, early 50s peaks for most. 55-year-old yearly ascents signal free labor post-victory, treadmill persistence beyond finish lines. Compute survival number, basic living plus healthcare to 95. Exceeding amounts transform savings to consumption capital, mandating expenditure or gifting less waste. Audit instantly. Today's death leaves $50,000 balance. What yearly experiences sacrificed preserving it? Skipped bachelor parties, 14-hour layover bargains, denied kid music lessons? That $50,000 monuments self-denied joys. Irresponsibility disavowed. Debt and bill struggles prioritize survival accumulation first. Yet savers hitting coast fire, dollar-spend guilt sufferers must grasp life's aim evades leaderboard high scores. Life's aim embodies active gameplay. Mary's tragedy bypassed death inevitability, delayed prime existence awaiting absent futures, swapping vitality for surplus statistics. Reject richer fates, calculate numbers, purchase experiences, advance kid funds usability windows, construct memory dividends. Legacy resides not bonk figures, but loved ones' retained memories, self-preserved recollections. Die absent regrets, wasted energy, precisely zero. Philosophy-induced trip postponement rethink or slight fear merits like button smash. Mary urges paper wealth transcendence to life richness. Subscribe System Hacking Paths Ahead.